Hi there, I'm Chloe Crabtree. Today I want to show you how to make a floral arrangement in one of these women's heads that are like a statue. These have gotten very popular in recent years, and we're just going to get right to it. So I'm going to start with everybody's favorite this time of year, some beautiful peonies, and I wish you could be here. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. So I'm going to start with some of these, and I'm making this kind of a Valentine's kind of arrangement. I'm going to tuck a little greenery in here, here and here. And I have some tendrils of ivy. Let's go with another one of these beautiful pink peonies. Very soft and feminine, which makes sense for our lady's head, doesn't it? I'm going to turn this around and take a look myself. And I need a little greenery tucked in here, right between these two peonies. That makes sense. They look like they're separate flowers now. This is a small head as far as these statues come. Some are much larger, so I'm not going to have to use a lot of flowers in here. 3, maybe 4 peonies, and then I'm going to add some red roses. I just think that combination for Valentine's Day is perfect. So let's see, here's one more smaller one. I picked this up. You can find these sometimes in thrift stores, but I got this one today at Michael's. And I will put a link to where it is right in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And I think we're going to give her one more on the back side. And there we are with the peonies. I could stop right there, but I really am excited about the contrast of the dark red against the soft pink. Look how pretty that is tucked in there. They really do. There we have it. Beautiful arrangement. All this took was 5 peonies and 4 red roses and just a little bit of greenery. Some of it came right from my yard. And you've got something beautiful to display or a beautiful gift to give to somebody for Valentine's Day. Here's our beautiful peony and rose arrangement in the lady's head makes a beautiful gift, beautiful Valentine's display. I think I'm going to put this right here in my living room on an end table. Looks lovely against my navy blue sofa. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.